How do I set up iCloud email on my iPhone?
Hey there! In this video, I'll guide you through the process of setting up your iCloud email on your iPhone. By the end of this video, you'll be able to access your iCloud email seamlessly on your device. Let's get started.
Adding your iCloud email account.
To set up your iCloud email on your iPhone, follow these steps. 1. Open the Settings app on your iPhone. You can find the Settings app on your home screen, usually represented by a gear icon. 2. Scroll down and tap on Mail to access the Mail settings. 3. In the Mail settings, tap on Accounts to manage your email accounts. 4. Tap on Add Account to start adding your iCloud email account. 5. From the list of available email providers, tap on iCloud to proceed. 6. Enter your iCloud email address in the provided field. Make sure to type it correctly to avoid any issues. 7. Tap on Next and provide the password for your iCloud email account. 8. If you have two-factor authentication enabled for your iCloud account, you may be prompted to enter the verification code that is sent to your trusted device. 9. After successfully entering your email address and password, tap on Next to proceed. 10. Now, you can choose which iCloud services you want to sync with your iPhone. These options include Mail, Contacts, Calendars, and Notes. Make sure the toggle for Mail is enabled to sync your iCloud email. 11. Finally, tap on Save to complete the setup process.
Accessing your iCloud email.
Once you've set up your iCloud email account on your iPhone, accessing your email is simple. 1. Go back to your home screen and open the Mail app. The Mail app is represented by an envelope icon. 2. In the Mail app, you'll see your inbox, which displays your received emails. You can tap on any email to read its contents. 3. To compose a new email, tap on the Compose icon, usually represented by a square with a pencil in the bottom right corner. 4. You can also access your folders, such as Sent, Drafts, and Trash, by tapping on the Mailboxes button located in the top left corner of the Mail app. 5. If you have multiple email accounts set up on your iPhone, you can switch between them by tapping on the email account name in the Mailboxes view. Congratulations! You have successfully set up your iCloud email on your iPhone. Now you can easily send, receive, and manage your emails right from your device. If you have any further questions, feel free to leave them in the comments below. Stay connected and enjoy the convenience of accessing your iCloud email on the go.